how to create landing page in Wix 2024. So if you want to go ahead and create a landing page for your Wix website, here is how you're going to do it. You're going to come straight over to the main Wix dashboard, and here you're going to click on create new site. Yes, that is what you're going to need to do. Obviously, I know that we're creating a page, but trust me, you're going to go over to create a new site. And once you're over here, right about here is where you're going to be adding landing page. Okay. So here you can see I have added the landing page prompt. And once we add the landing page prompt, all you're going to do from here is you're simply going to click on continue. Now from here, it's going to go ahead and start preparing your dashboard, and it's going to start thinking of templates to give you. Okay. So once we're over here, simply go over to design site. So I'm going to go over to design site, and you can obviously go ahead and fill in the details for what the goals are for this site. So I'm going to go with sell products, and I'm going to click on continue. And it's going to be asking you what Wix apps you're going to want to use, etc. I'm going to simply skip that and continue to my dashboard. Now, once your dashboard loads in, you're simply going to go ahead, click on design site, and from there on out, it's going to take you over to the template section from where you can basically start working on the different templates and designs that you want to choose for your landing page. So I'm going to click on customize a template, and it's going to give us many designs. So as you can see, webinar landing page, app launch, real estate landing page, product landing page, etc. So let's say I'm going to go with product landing page. I actually want to showcase my new product in front of the world, and I want to show how good it is, etc. So for that, what we are going to be doing is I'm simply going to wait for my website to be prepared. I'm going to wait for it to fully load in. And once everything is done and good to go, what we're going to do from here is we're going to get started with the editorial sequence. Okay, so let my page load in, and let me show you how you can add elements into your landing page. So once your page has loaded in, as you can see, the template designs look amazing. You can change any single of these elements. So let's say I'm going to go over here, and I want to change this specific product over here, right? So to change this, all you're going to do is simply going to click on change image. And once you click on change image, it's going to open up the media dashboard for Wix. And what you can do is you can either add your very own files, or you can go ahead and choose from Wix. Okay, so they actually have a lot of good media on Wix, and you can choose to add it however you want to. And obviously moving further on, you can change texts, you can change backgrounds, you can change colorings, and all you want in this one section. And once you're done with all of that, simply click on publish and you're good to go. So that is how you're going to be creating a landing page in Wix in 2024. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.